Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to add a profile photo to your Microsoft account. Open your favorite browser. Go to Microsoft.com. Click on the Sign In button at the top right corner of the page. Enter your username or email address. Click Next. Enter your password. Click Sign In. You are signed into your Microsoft account. Click on the profile picture at the top right corner of the page and select My Microsoft Account to access your account dashboard. Click on Your Info in the top menu bar. Click on Add a Photo button. A dialog box pops up. Click on Add a Photo link. Select a photo on your computer and click Open. If you want, you can adjust the zoom and rotation settings. After making the changes, click Save to close the dialog box. This is how you can add a profile photo to your Microsoft account. Thank you for watching.